Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share this little cute journal I made. This one is a hardback cover. It is one of the smaller digest books that I got. But there was like something hideous on the cover, so I just went ahead and gutted it and redid it. I took some gesso to it and then painted it, stamped on it, and made it look like this cutie pie. I super love the way it turned out. It is 2 signatures in there, and it kind of started getting alligator-ish, but once you take everything out, it won't be like that. But she's so cute. I just left it all like this. And this is from Artie Mays, and I just backed it with some vintage cloth and sewed around it and stuck that on the front. It's not really a bee journal, it's just an image that I love. So yeah, I used that. And on the inside, let's see on the inside. I used some Tim Holtz wallpaper again on the back right there. And just a little card pocket. And this is an extra little booklet of paper that I just sewed together and collaged on. And I put some lace right there. This is Tracy Fox. And she's kind of stiff because I haven't been messing with her, but it will get a little not so stiff. And it actually does lay flat. It's just the first little few that doesn't for some reason. I don't know, because I think I put too much stuff in here. But we can take it out and it won't be like that. And this is Tsunami Rose. And I just made a little pocket. Used some of these little sayings throughout the book. And there's coffee dyed paper and some not. And I used my corrugated board to make some lines in this book. And I have a video on that, on how I do that. I used some washi, some children's books, some vintage fabric on the tabs. And over here is just a little flip out, and this is a booklet of paper. About 6 pages in there, I think. And that came out of this that I found at a garage sale. This old spelling tablet. And yeah, so I thought I'd make a little booklet and stick that in there. And then this is Tracy Fox, and it just tucks in there. And I just kind of made a little clip. Then on this side, this is just a little piece of ephemera. Did some stamping. Those little tiny things right there, oh my goodness, those things hate me. And I just did some stenciling on here. These little, used my Tim Holtz stencil on there. This flips out, and you could flip it over to this side. And that little thing comes off. Take that. And you have this cute little tag by Tracy Fox. And then there's just some coffee dyed paper in here. And you can tuck all the way down in like this if you wanted. But I just folded that up. And yeah, watch me be. I am not good at those little tiny Tim Holtz things. They do not like me very well. Let me put this this side. There we go. And yeah, then you can just flip that back over like so. And then some old shorthand paper out of this book that I got right here at a garage sale. It's a really old shorthand book. I super love it. And this will, I'm sure this cover will soon become a journal. Did some sewing in here, little tuck spot. That's Nick the Booksmith. And just made some little sayings here and there. Used up some washi. This is real vintage ephemera right here that came from the old design shop. And Tracy Fox, I believe. A paper ruffle. And a bag, yeah, with some goodies inside. And this book will be coming with a bag full of goodies as well. Probably a little more than that, because I just got to get rid of some of the stuff, and I might as well send it out with my journals. As they sell, I will send out bags of stuff to go with them. And here we go. This flips out, and then there is a booklet of paper here. This is actually vintage paper right there. And over here is a tuck spot. Those tabs. And some more, a little flower. Put that back in there before I forget to put it in there. And these are just bits that I had laying around that I just stuck in here. And they can be used throughout this book or some other book if you choose. And this is super cool. I got this. Where did I put that? It is some vintage binding or bias tape. Look at these amazing bias tapes I found at a garage sale. I love it. So I used some in here and made some ruffles. And this is a little tablet of paper. Tracy Fox there. Some little ephemera. A little tuck spot right there. And this is a little envelope and a little tag and some washi. Some more of that vintage paper. And that is just a little paper clip I did with some library card, a sewn card ephemera there, some corrugated lines, another tablet. I tried to make lots of, I love the way this looks. I love that. It looks so cool. And over here is some Artie Mays envelope that's just clipped on. And got some paper in there as well, some coffee dyed paper. And I just clipped that on. And this is sewn coffee dyed paper. See, it lays pretty flat. It's just on the very few pages, first few pages that don't want to. But I think it's because I have all that in there, which can be taken out if you don't like it. This is the second signature here. And this is a tuck spot right there. You can tuck stuff in there. It goes all the way through. I love that bead. So cute. And some Artie Mays. Washi tape. And some more little ephemera with a little envelope. And some more ephemera there. And this I just clipped on here. The vintage button. And a little envelope that I made. There's nothing inside, but it opens up. It's super cute. Just sewed some vintage fabric. This is just a little tablet I made out of, that can be written on, that I made out of the paper that I had to cut off. So instead of throwing it away, I just make little tablets that can be written on. And here is, this flips out. And it's just another little booklet of cut off papers. And I just stuck it on like so, like that. Other little pieces of ephemera. This flips out. Another piece of ephemera. And a little piece of a guest check, and then these two inside there. And this has just got a bunch of pieces of ephemera inside there. I won't pull them all out because there's just a handful in there. And I stuck it on there. Another little booklet I made with the cut off papers. And then this little guy. But this clips on here. Oopsie. On the one page. There you go. And on this side, I have the guest check, the thicker ones. And then this one in there. Another little clipped-on piece of ephemera booklet. And some more ephemera. This is a very old postcard. And in here, just a bunch of other, some more little pieces of ephemera that can be used throughout the book. And I love that. I should have used that in my bird book. I love it, love it, love it. You can also tuck behind there as well. And over here, this all comes out. Another thick booklet of those spelling tablets. Just tucked that in there. And then this one goes in there. This flips out, and let's take this off. Ah, goodness. And we have this beautiful lady tucked in there. And this is some extra washi tape that can be used throughout the book, and this is a vintage card. So I just put some extra washi on there. Some corrugated lines. A little tuck spot over here. Can be tucked in there as well. This actually flips out. An old vintage letter. And the letter is inside. Some Edith Holden page. And this is just some coffee dyed paper. I just tucked her in there, stuck it right there. And over here is just some tags. Oh my goodness, this book is slippery today. And just some coffee dyed ephemera. And that is this little beauty. She is so cute. And she is for sale. So if you are interested, I will leave my Bloom and Sticks and Facebook links below. And you can message me on there. And yeah, this will be coming with some extra goodies. And you won't be disappointed because she's amazing. Please subscribe. And if you already are, thank you so much. And have a great day. Bye-bye.